Hey y'all, this is Dave with DaBomb Smokes, and I'm going to do a shout out video today, so stay tuned. You know, the other day I was tuning in on one of my a channel that I subscribe to. She's a sweet woman. Her name is Sally, and she does some great videos. Her channel is Eye Candy, and if you get a chance, check her out. I'll put the link up top. But she did a live session, shout out session, not too long ago, and I was very impressed with that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to feature 4 small channels, and I'm going to kind of show a clip of each channel, an example of what their channel is like, to kind of, you know, help them out a little bit. Because I was so moved by what she was doing, such an unselfish thing. I wanted to do the same thing. So let's get started. All right, now the first channel I want to shout out to is Mike Montoya, Smoking Mary's Rack Barbecue. Now him and his wife Mary both have a channel. Her channel is Baken Eggs, and I'm going to show you a little sample of each one of them. If you get a chance, check them out. I'll put an iCard for them up top. All right, now here's Mike Montoya, Smoking Mary's Rack Barbecue.
Hey everyone, Mike Montoya, Smoking Mary's Rack Barbecue. And today, I just want to kind of show everybody what I found at one of our local thrift shops. It's a first generation SS Weber 22-inch Performer. Hey everyone, Mike Montoya, Smoking Mary's Rack Barbecue, and today we're going to do spatchcock chicken. I'm going to check in on it about 45 minutes later, but it's been about an hour and a half. Oh yeah. Right away you pick up the acidic taste from the lime. You get this, the herbs right away too from this, the Bragg's Organic Sprinkle. So, I think this is a winner. So I hope everybody has a really good Sunday with friends, family.
All right, the next one, this is Mike's wife, Mary. She has a site called Baken Eggs.
My mom loves coconuts. So this is 7-11-18 in 29 Palms, California in the desert. Monsoon season. Our yard is flooding. All right. Well, I hope you like those. The next one is Beer's Jack of Barbecue. He's pretty good too.
Hey, welcome to another episode of Beer's Jack of Barbecue. So today we're doing something a little different. We're on location. We're at our photographer Jack's house. He's got a front gate gas grill, a high-end gas grill. We're going to do an entire pork loin rotisserie on infrared.
That's got a nice, a little bit of nice intro. Pretty good.
All right, so here we are. We've already thrown it just on the rotisserie, started the rotisserie rolling. Pull it off.
Oh yeah, that's looking great.
As usual. All right, so here we are at the end of the cook. Every week at a time, but for the most part, it's going to be every 2 weeks. So hope you like what you've seen, and we'll see you next time.
That was Beer's Jack of Barbecue, so might want to get over there and check him out. And the next one is BBQ Pit Dude. Then you can check him out too. All right, here we have the BBQ Pit Dude. Nice intro on that one.
Y'all, welcome to the BBQ Pit Dude. We are going to do a chicken. We're going to do it low and slow today on the Weber Smoky Mountain. Open at about a quarter, so a pencil thickness, regular number 2 pencil. Okay, folks, all trimmed up on our Boston butt. And of course, we'll be serving our veterans coming up this October. in November, and you'll want to stay tuned for that, folks, because that's what's important to us here.
Well, that just about wraps it up, folks. Those are the 4 channels that I was going to do a shout out today. Love you guys. This is my shout out. This is me showing you a little bit of love there. So I hope you enjoyed it. Now, if you haven't, all you who are watching, if you've subscribed already, thanks for coming back. I love you. And those who haven't subscribed, I love you too. Please consider subscribing. The little red button down at the bottom. And then if you like the video, just click the thumbs up. And remember, don't take this day for granted, folks, because when it's gone, it's gone. Cheers, y'all. God bless.